back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be doing another makeup look for you guys, Valentine's Day edition. So I'm excited about this one, and without further ado, let's just hop right into it. Alright, you guys, so Valentine's Day is coming up, you know. Are you guys excited? Are you not excited? Do you have plans? Do you not have plans? Do you have plans by yourself? You know, with somebody else? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. How are you spending your Valentine's this year? So I'm going in first with this e.l.f. Poreless Putty. And I'm just going to be putting that on my cheeks. And all over down here. Also make sure that you wash your face, moisturize it, and wash your hands before you wash your face. So yeah, that's step one. Alright, so next I'm going in with my CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of my foundation. But this will just have to do for now until I get a new one, a better one. I'm just trying to get great coverage on my face today. So yeah, you guys, how are you feeling about Valentine's Day this year? You know, COVID is still going on, which is not cool. That puts a damper on a lot of people's plans, I'm sure. So, fun fact about me and my boyfriend is that our very first date was on Valentine's Day. Our very first date was on Valentine's Day, and he asked me to be his Valentine. I said sure. We went to the Cheesecake Factory. It was amazing. I'm a pretty festive person, so kind of went all out, you know. I like dressing up for Valentine's Day and going all out. So that's what I did. I remember I wore like a red, like a solid red mini dress with like some black heels, I think, and some coat, because it's still cold on Valentine's Day. And I got him a gift. I got him a blanket, because I didn't really know him like that. I didn't know what to get him. I didn't know what he'd like, and me just being me, just wanting to be festive and go all out, you know, I had to get him a gift, and he was taking me out, so like, yeah. So I decided to do that. I got him a blanket and like a little plush toy, kind of the size of like a Beanie Baby, but it's not a Beanie Baby, it's just like a little dog named Spot. But yeah, Valentine's Day is a holiday that we do celebrate. We do put a lot of effort into, I guess you could say. It's important to us, you know, because, you know, we love each other. Well, we like to celebrate our love, celebrate our relationship. So Valentine's Day is basically what that is. Right. So what I'm going to do is pink my eye out. But right now I'm going to be going in with this color here. Righty. So this is just a nice soft pink.
Ray on
So there you have it. That is the makeup look. I hope you guys love this pink pop of color. I love it. You guys can do this little technique with any color, really. You know, if you guys like it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hey, I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day this year. You know, regardless of everything going on in the world, I pray that you guys still have fun and, you know, spread lots of love and, you know, show love to this video. And I love you guys, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.